Take a moment to find a comfortable seated position, either on the floor or in a chair. Gently close your eyes and bring your attention to your breath. Notice the sensation of the air as it enters your nostrils and fills your lungs. As you inhale, imagine peace and calmness flowing into your body, and as you exhale, imagine any tension or stress leaving your body. Allow your breath to become slower and deeper, and let go of any thoughts or distractions that may arise. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring your attention back to your breath. Now, take a moment to cultivate gratitude for this moment of stillness and relaxation. When you feel ready, slowly open your eyes and bring your attention back to the present moment. Take this sense of calmness and gratitude with you as you continue with your day. Thank you for meditating with me.